In this video, we will show you how to replace your brake lamp switch on this Ford F-150. This will be located under your driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the dash. We're looking for our brake pedal. We're going to follow the brake pedal rod up towards the dash. Now I'm following the brake pedal rod up towards the brake lamp switch. We're going to start with our electrical connector. Has a locking tab. Just go ahead and squeeze that in and pull this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion, of course. This looks good. Next, we need to make our way to this area. We're going to have to dislodge this so we can make our way in and behind it. It has two locking ears. I'm using a small pocket screwdriver. You can also use a pick if necessary. Just trying to push out on those locking ears. We should be able to lift this up and off of here next. There we are. Just a quick inspection of that. We will be reusing it. Now that exposes a yellow locking clip. For this, I'm continuing on with my small pocket screwdriver. You need to pull out on this tab. I'm gently prying, and now we should be able to pull this out and away. A quick inspection of that. If it looks like it's rotted and weak, you need to replace it. You do not want this falling apart while you're driving down the road. Now, still using our pocket screwdriver, we're going to have to gently start prying this out and away from our brake pedal rod. This also houses the rod, which leads towards our brake booster, which is inside of the engine compartment. We're just going to go ahead and start pulling this out and away. And now we can slide this down. And there it is, friend. Now with that off of there, the next thing that we're going to do is clean and inspect the mounting area. I'm just using a clean rag for this. I don't like to use any type of detergents. We do not want to cause any damage. That was just a little bushing. I'm going to put that back on in 1 second here. During the cleaning process, our bushing came off, so I'm just going to reinstall that. That's going to go into the rod that goes to that brake booster. We're going to take it from the left side and force it through towards the passenger side. Now we can start putting this into position onto this shaft. We don't want to push it all the way up against there yet. Just leave a little bit hanging off. Try to keep that bushing on there as well, of course. Now we can install our brand new brake lamp switch. Let's make sure we have it in the proper orientation so the slotted side is towards the brake pedal rod here. Slide that right up and onto there. Once you have it slid into position, we're going to press this entire thing towards the brake pedal rod. Now it's time for our yellow locking clip. I'm going to start bringing this into position. We'll press it on there as far as possible. Listen for a click, and you need to try to pull it out. This needs to be secured. If your clip is rotted, weak, or damaged in any way, just go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. You do not want this to fall out while you're driving down the road. Let's get this on here as well. That's going to help prevent that clip from falling out. Now it's time for our electrical connector. Line it up, press it on. Audible click, a light tug confirming it's properly secured in place. Let's just have one more quick inspection in this area, confirming everything's properly secured. It's extremely important. After that, you can make your way out from under the dash. Once you have it installed, you need to test the functionality. Let's go ahead and press on the brake pedal and confirm the brake lamps function as they should. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.